Good morning, student. Welcome you. In previous topic, we studied about the secondary industry, primary industry. Primary industry can be divided into two categories. First, extractive industry and genetic industry. Secondary industry, manufacturing industry and constructive industry. Now, manufacturing industry can be divided into two categories: consumer and industrial goods. Then later, manufacturing industry can be divided in four types. First, analytical industry. Industries. Analytical industry are those industry that basic raw material is broken into different part of the produced finishing goods. Means for making up a finishing goods, raw material can be broken into different parts. For an example, crude oil is produced and many finishing products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene, oil, gasoline are manufactured there. So this type of industry are called analytic industry. Okay. It means in this portion raw material. In this industry, basic raw material is broken into different parts. Okay, it's suppose crude oil is broken into different parts like a petrol, kerosene, diesel, oil, gasoline. These are different parts. So raw material broken into different parts like a petrol, kerosene. There are so many other examples are available in our surroundings. Now, second. Now, second point is there synthetic industry. Synthetic industry. Second point. Synthetic industry. In synthetic are two or more material are mixed to manufacture some new products. In this industry, there are two material mixed to each other and form other third new product. For an example, various chemical are mixed to produce soap, paints and cosmetic. This is called synthetic industry. Okay, in this industry we combine two either more than two product and form new another products is called synthetic industry. For an example, soap, pants, cosmetic, etc. This is a synthetic industry. Now next, processing industry. Third, processing industry. In this industry, the raw material is processed through various stages of production and then finished goods are manufactured. For an example, textile industry, iron industry and sugar industry. Okay. Iron, textile, sugar industries. It means in this industry, to form a material, to form a finishing goods, raw material is processed through various stage of production. Then we will get a finishing goods. Example, textile industry means first of all cotton balls, cotton removed from the seeds, then it's from yarn, then making threads, then making clothes, then color of the clothes. So this is different process. Raw material converted by the various steps to finish production of the finishing goods. So this is a processing industry. Name is processing. So you can understand that by the name of the processing industry. Then fourth last is the assembly industry. Assemble. You know, student, or you know very well about this word assemble. In the morning we all together assemble in the ground for the prayer. So assemble means different part assemble and to form a new other usable the finishing goods. Example, in this definition you have to understand. In this industry, the various finishing products are combined, produce a new finishing product. For an example, manufacture to computer, bike, car, television, watches, automobile, car, etc. Because of there are so many finishing goods, and we combine all together to form a new other product. It's called assembly industry. Okay, I hope you understand. Once again we revise. Secondary industry. In this industry, primary raw material from the primary industry, as we get a raw material and produce finishing products, it is called secondary industry. For an example, mining iron ore is a primary industry, but still manufacture is done in secondary industry. Okay, secondary industry can be divided into two categories. First, manufacture and constructive industry. Now manufacturing industry can be divided into two types: consumer or industrial goods. Consumer goods are which can be directly consumed by the consumers. For an example, oil, clothes, soap, bread, etc. Now industrial goods, the goods which are produced for manufacturing consumer goods, are known as the industrial goods. Means that industrial goods we cannot use in our daily life. Okay, in industrial goods like a machine, equipment, tools, etc. These are produced in industrial goods. Then it is used to consumer goods to form another products. Now manufacturing industry are there. Manufacturing industry can be divided into four categories. First, analytical industry. In this industry, raw material is broken into different products to produce finishing goods. Example, crude oil, as a petroleum, diesel, kerosene, gasoline, oil, etc. are formed. Synthetic industry are two or more material mixed to form a new products. Example, chemical mix, chemical soap, and etc. By the one product it cannot be formed. Different type of raw material combine and to form mix and to form another products. Now processing industry, with the help of name we can understand process. In this industry, process through the various stages of production and then finishing goods are manufactured here. Example, textile, iron and sugar industry. Directly by the raw material we cannot make a finishing goods. To form a finishing goods, the raw material should be used more to different process. Now fourth, assembly industry. In the assembly industry, the various finishing products are combined to produce a new finishing product. For an example, manufacturing of computers, television, watches, automobile, car, bike, etc. Means different finishing goods assemble and form a new products. Now, constructive industry. Now, constructive industry. These industry are concerned with the construction of buildings. Okay, construction. With the name of this industry, we can understand this is a constructive industry, means concerned with the construction of a bridge, dam, road, etc. Buildings also. And this industry are used to produce products manufacturing industry such as cement, iron and steel line, etc. This unique feature of this industry is that product cannot be transferred or shifted to the market. Okay, this is the unique feature of this industry. When we produce any products, then it cannot be transferred from one place to another place. Almost 90% we cannot transfer, but few cases we can transfer, but in size is too short. For an example, we make a pipe, then we can transfer because its size is small. But when we make a building, road and RCC and dam, bridge, we cannot transfer one place to another place because it is a permanent capital. So this is constructive industry. Now industry can be divided into primary, secondary and tertiary industry. Already we study these pictures. Now tertiary or secondary services. Okay, now tertiary or service industry.